is. I said we use curly brackets.
Eh?
I thought it was curly
Is that
brackets.
curly? That's is that curly braces? It's looking small, like it's not looking like curly braces from here. Maybe it's because
It
it's
is.
small.
Yeah, okay.
Okay, I can see it better now.
Okay,
Okay,
sir.
so go ahead and finish creating a set now.
More. I did one yesterday. So yeah, this is what I have was set. It has like you can have like 6 output. If you print it, it's like at the end because they're like 1 and 2 at the same thing. So it will just pick one. So yes. So.
You've not finished creating the set now.
Oh, okay.
You only opened what the file from yesterday.
I thought you okay. Okay. So.
So what were the properties we said that a set has?
Yeah.
What are the things that are unique about it? What were the properties we said a set has?
Um.
Hmm?
Let's remove.
You say what?
Oh, it can't duplicate. What's that
It
for?
doesn't accept duplicates. What else?
Um, you can't change
Print
it.
that's my set.
No, you can't change it. This is
You
not.
can't change it. It's unchangeable. Yes, it's unchangeable.
Oh,
But we said that even though it's unchangeable, there are some things that you can still do. You can remove items and you can add new items. That's what we said. What else do you remember from yesterday's class? We said that sets are unordered. They are unordered. If you look at that thing that you printed, is that the order that you created it?
yeah, no,
Hmm? Have
no.
you not noticed that it was rearranged?
Yeah, it rearrange it, so it's not the same as what you put in
Uh-huh.
the list.
That, so that tells you that a set doesn't have any particular order. One moment, mango can be the first one,
The
banana
second
can be the
one,
third one, apple can be
yeah,
the second one. Another moment, it can, as in it's just you can say that it is somehow scattered. So it's not that it doesn't have a particular order. That's the meaning of unordered. So you
okay.
cannot use index. You remember that yesterday you tried to use index for it and it gave error, right?
Yes.
Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So that was it. The trying to use index is like saying that you're expecting a particular order, but the set cannot give that guarantee because it doesn't have order. So yes, we said duplicates are not allowed. And we saw that true is the same as what integer.
1 and 2. No.
Eh? True, true is the same as what integer.
True.
I didn't hear you.
Oh, wait. I remember I was doing
Eh?
it. 1,
And false is the same as what?
2.
False is the same as what?
Isn't it false the same as 0?
It's zero now. Which
Yeah.
one? I thought you said two. All right. So another thing, you can find the length of a list using the len function. So this one too supports the len function. So use the len function the way you know it to find the length of this set and print it. Can you do that?
Mm, okay.
Did you hear what I said?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So use the len function inside the print function and show us the length of this set.
Print. Oh,
Are you saying what you're typing?
no.
Fix it.
3.
So there are three elements inside, but remember they are unordered. So yes, it works pretty much the same way. Okay, so that was what we did that yesterday for in like an introduction to set. So let's pick up from there today. So if you want to use a for loop, you do you remember how to use a for loop? Use a for loop
Print.
to print out the elements inside this set. Can you do that? A for loop.
I should use a for loop
Print out the elements inside the set.
to print down the element inside the set.
Yes. Go ahead now. Simeon, what are you waiting for?
Yes, yes, yes. Oh,
Huh?
oh. Right. Oh, pineapple X. Oh, because X and Z are on this, like on the same, like they're side by side. That's what you buy. Banana, mango, apple.
Okay, so you can see even at that, it doesn't, it's, if it's printing banana before mango and apple, it still doesn't mean that it's ordered. It's still an unordered collection. In this sense. Okay, so let's see whether we can find how we can, tell whether a particular element is inside the set. So for instance, so use an if statement, right? Use an if statement. Let's just use an if statement to demonstrate something. Use an if statement to check if mango is in my set. You know how to do that? Hmm?
Okay,
Simeon,
okay.
why are you quiet?
Um, hmm, if mango in set mint. So am I going to print mango?
You can say print yes.
Okay.
Yes is a string, Simeon. It's a string.
Oh
You
yeah,
can't,
yeah, yeah.
when you put
Sorry.
it like that, you are saying it's a variable. I've told you that thing. That was in our very first class. You didn't do an else.
Oh, I thought you only told me to
I
say
do the
if.
next one now. Do an if else, but this time put some use something that is not inside my set. Do an if else. You can even do mango in capital letters because I think mango in capital letters is different from mango in small letters. Print yes. Close the quotation mark. Do an else. Don't forget your colon. No?
No.
So it's the no that was executed. So it was the else part that was executed. That means mango with the capital M is not in my set. In other words, this mango, if you had put mango 2 times in that my set, but one of them has capital M, it will not have been considered a duplicate, right?
Yes, sir.
So that's the implication. Okay. So this operator, remember this operator is the in operator. Okay. So if you remember what I said yesterday, a set is unchangeable. However, there's a small but there which says that you can add items and remove items. So we're going to use now this one is not append method, okay? Remember, append is for which kind of this thing? It's for what kind of Python object? Append is for what kind of Python object? Can you remember? Append is for what? What do we use append method for?
To put an item into the back of the list. Into the
Into a
end of
what?
the list. Put an item into the back of a list.
At the end of a list. Okay, so we don't use append here, but we use an add method. So go ahead and let's try an add method. So let's try and add something that's not on this set. So you can type my set dot. Let's see the methods on my set.
My
On a typical
set
set.
dot up.
Let's see what we show. Okay, so you can see there are a couple of methods there. As
There's no
I said,
append.
there's no append there. There's add. Do add, then open the bracket and add something that's not inside that my set. Then we'll print it again and see if it was added.
Mang. It. Print my set. It works.
Okay. So can you see it even went and put grape in front? So just remember that this is not like a list that has a particular order. If it were a list, the thing would have been at the other end. It would have been at the end showing that it was attached. So that's the reason why the name of the method is not append, it's add. Okay. So you also know that for a list, we can add several items to a list at the same time. You can extend using extend. You can use extend and extend a list, by another one. Do you remember?
Yes, sir.
So now we want to use a similar method, but it's not called extend, to add one set to another. So we're going to create a second set. Can you quickly create another set? You can call it, I don't know what you want to call. You can call it something else. Okay, another set is fine. So just create another set, put different elements in it.
Anything.
Maybe you can put numbers separated by commas. Okay. Okay. So okay, so you have. So we're going to call. Did you say something?
No, sir.
Yes.
I didn't say anything, sir.
Okay, I thought you were saying something. Okay, so on the next line, we're going to say my set dot update. There's a method called update. So that update method is like extend. So we'll call update and pass another set. No, my set dot update, not another set. My set dot update. Have you seen it? Yes, update, yes. Okay. So in between the brackets, you're going to put another set there.
Inside the bracket, I should put another set.
Yes, just type the name of the set that you want to use and update my set. Then print my set. Let's see how it looks now. Let's see if did he arrange anything? He didn't
Nothing.
arrange anything. The
They are
134,
not in equal order.
they are not in any order at all. So some of the 21 went in between. Okay. So that's typically how a set is. It's on all that, still emphasizing that fact. But you can see that it took all the elements from another set and copied them into my set. So my set, now let us print to see how many elements are in my set. So remember how you did print learn my set. Do the same thing. Let's see if it has changed the number of elements now. And see them.
Police. It shows 10.
Okay, it says 10. Okay, so is it actually 10? 1, 2, 3, 4,
Yes.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. All right. So the good thing to note is that updates can be used on anything. You can update my set with a list. What we just did now was we have updated my set with another set. Then we can update, you can create another a list or a tuple, and call update and put that tuple inside the bracket and it will still work. That's the good thing about sets. You can use a list and update a set in this update. Maybe we should try that. Okay, so let's can I just create a list of animals or something. And just create a list. You remember how to create a list. List is square brackets.
Square bracket. Okay. Okay, animals. Sir, there's someone at my door. Can I go open it?
What?
There's someone at my door. Can I go open it?
Is there no other person in the house that can open the door?
My brother is distracted. Sir, I'm coming. Come back.
All right,
It's
go
only
ahead and create the
it
list
was
and,
only it
and
was
use
only
it and
me and my
update my
brother. My
thing.
brother was distracted. That's why.
Okay.
I love dogs. Cats. Lion. I'm in class. 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 Um, yes. Okay, sir.
All right. So um all right, so do the same thing you did. My set dot update, but in the bracket now you're going to put animals or animal. I don't know how you called it animal. Then print my set. Okay. It added all those things from the list. Animal, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So dog, cats, lions, tigers. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so there were 10 there. So we expect them to be 14 now, right?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. There is
Okay.
14.
All right. So let's remove some now using we're going to use two methods to do this. There's a remove method and there's a discard method. So what would we like to remove from my set now?
97.
Remove. Okay. So
97.
97. Okay. All right. Then let's print my set again and see if 97 is actually out.
It is. Let's count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
See. Okay. Now do the same thing, but this time you're using discard method, not remove.
What does that do?
Dot discard. My set dot discard. You didn't do anything now. Dot discard.
No, you still
Yes.
remove stuff.
You can choose something else that you want to remove.
Lions. No tigers. Prince. 1,
Okay.
2,
Does it take
3,
out
4,
tiger?
5,
Yeah.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Yeah.
Okay, good. Now let us try something now. I know we have removed 97, right? And we have discarded tigers. Now I want you to try removing 97 again. Let's see, one of them, we want to see the difference between remove and discard. One of them will give an error when you attempt to remove something that doesn't exist. So yes, just copy and paste and execute. Don't change anything. Aha. So remove, what does it say? It does not key error 97. The, okay. All right, now try and discard tigers again. Just copy and paste my set dot discard. Okay.
It's
Okay.
working.
No error, B, but
It's working.
it it's still. Do you get? Now, so that's the difference between discard and remove. If you attempt to remove something that doesn't exist again, it will throw an error. But when you discard something that doesn't exist again, it doesn't throw an error. But obviously nothing happened, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So just take note of those differences, so that you are not thinking that discard and remove are exactly the same. Okay, one more method for removing things, but this one doesn't guarantee which one gets removed, is the pop method. So just let's try it. Do my set.pop. Then we will now print my
My
set
sets dot
as
what?
pop, P-O-P. You see
Okay.
it there. It doesn't take any parameters. Doesn't take any parameters. Just hit enter.
So what should
So
I put?
yes, hit enter. Go ahead. Just hit enter. Did you notice what happened?
Yes, sir.
It has removed dogs. Go ahead and print my set and you see what will happen. You see that dogs is no more there again. It has removed dogs. So the thing with that pop, is that it doesn't I say it can remove any element. Do you understand? It will remove, but since you did not specify anything and it doesn't allow you to specify anything, it can remove any element at all. You remember, sets are unordered. So it just happened that dogs seem to be the one that it chose to remove. Call pop again, and you see to remove something that may not even be next to dogs. Okay, it removed one. Okay. Okay, one was closed. Okay, that's fine. It seems like because one was that one came after dogs, right? But it's just, remember, sets are not ordered, so we can't guarantee that it was because of one is closed. Okay. All right. So there's a clear method. Did you see that clear method?
Yes, sir.
All clear. My set dot clear. Clear method doesn't take any parameters. Okay. Hit enter now.
Yeah, because the last time there was colors there. That's
Now
why.
print my set. Let's see if there's anything inside.
Nothing, don't worry.
Okay. What does it say? What does it say?
It says set. Like black and mix, like
What do
together
you
with
think that
the
means?
last yeah. It shows me the method we're using.
What can you guess? What do you think? It's telling you that the set is empty. There's nothing inside anymore. That's what that clear does. You understand?
Yes, sir.
So that's what it's just saying. But then we still have another set, right? Another set still contains things, right? So we can use it for other demonstrations. So that was just to demonstrate using the clear method. Okay. So I think we have looked through sets. Okay. So let's try and do, now, if you did anything in maths, right? I told you that sets are also in maths, right?
Yes, sir.
Simeon, are you there?
Yes, sir. I said yes, sir.
I told you that you can have sets in maths. So let's see. We can use the union or update methods to join methods which are in two sets, or join elements which are in two sets. Okay, so remember my set is empty, isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So let's see, say my set dot, instead of using update this time, let's use union.
Union.
My set dot union. There's a method called union. Yes, union, like to bring two things together. My set dot union. Then you now put dot another set, put another set inside the parentheses. Yes. Another set. Okay. So what did you notice? So print my set. Let us see if those things are now inside my set, because that's the whole aim. That union and update are similar.
It shows nothing.
Oh, it's still empty. It doesn't. Okay. Okay. It's all right. So okay. So union just brings them together, but um it doesn't actually put them together. Okay. Let's call dot update instead of dot union. I want to put things inside that my set. Say my set dot update and put another set instead. So union will just join them together, but it will not yeah. In fact, okay, instead of doing that, update it with animals. Don't use another set, use animals. Use animals, sorry, animal, the list. You remember the list? Yes, animal. No, I think it's animal you called it, not house. Okay, then print my set. Let's see.
Yeah, can I go to the toilet?
Okay, so it's yeah, so my set now contains the items from animal. All right, before you go to the toilet, you do union on my set and another set. So I
I
know
should
that
do.
it will not update it, but at least let's see
I should do what?
my set dot union and then another set.
I don't know.
So it just puts them together, right? It doesn't update. So that's the difference between union and update. Update will combine them and put them inside my set, while union will just put them together without putting them inside my set. Okay. You said you want to use the restroom, right?
Yes.
Please don't be long. You can go. Okay. Okay. Scroll all the way to the top. Okay. Okay. All right. You can stop sharing.
Bye, so have a good day.
All right. You too. And thank your mom.